If you've been struggling trying to get straight lineups, then don't worry. I found the perfect solution to help you get better. And you only need 3 items. A mannequin, hair fibers, and your trimmer. Step 1. Take the hair fibers and apply it across the forehead of the mannequin. It should look something like this. This is a great method to start out practicing with because if you mess up, all you have to do is just apply more hair fiber. Then all you do, take your trimmer and begin to practice. Using the hair fibers allows you to practice on any type of hairline. So if you wanted to do a more oval shape or a receding hairline, you can practice on any type. You can even practice putting parts in. And the easiest thing about this is, once you're all done, simply wipe it away and start over. There's a link to my Amazon store in my bio where you can find this mannequin as well as these hair fibers. Hopefully I start to see this all over social media. That way I'll know that it was helpful. So thank you guys for watching and I'll catch you guys on the next one.